NS Krishnan and T.A. Maduram, MGR and Janagi, Gemini Ganeshan and Savitri, SSR and Vijayakumari, AVM Rajan and Pushpalata, Sivachandran and Lakshmi, Kamal and Sarika, Vijayakumar and Manjula, Sri Priya and Rajkumar Sedubadi, Bhagyaraj and Purnima, Sri Devi and Boni Kapoor, Sarita and Mukesh, Sumalata and Ambarish, Suhasini and Maniratnam, Menaga and Suresh Kumar, Ramarajan and Nalini, Ramya Krishnan and Krishnavamsi, Raghuvaran and Rogini, Revadi and Suresh Manan, Parthiban and Sita, Amala and Nagarjuna, Saranya and Ponvannan, Roja and Silvamani, Devyani and Rajkumaran, Sundarsi and Kushpu, Radhika and Sarath Kumar, Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan, Prakash Raj and Boni Verma, Preeta Vijayakumar and Hari, Ramki and Nirosha, Ajit and Shalini, Surya and Jodhika, Dhanush and Aishwarya, Prasanna and Sneha, Sangeeta and Krish, Babi Simha and Reshmi Menon, Arya and Shaisha, GV Prakash and Saindavi, Atli and Priya, Ganesh and Nisha, Shantanu and Kiki, Vignesh Shivan and Nayandara, Gautam Karthik and Manjima Mogan, Ashok Selvan and Kirti Pandian.